Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to this AWS Cost Optimization series. Let's get started. You open your AWS bill, and suddenly it feels way higher than expected. Most companies waste 30 to 60% on storage without even realizing it. And honestly, it's frustrating because you're not sure where it's coming from. What if I told you your data storage could be one of the biggest reasons, if it's overlooked? So today, we're going to break this down. We'll look at practical cost optimization techniques for AWS RDS and S3. Let's get into it. Let's start with RDS, a fully managed relational database service. It simplifies setup, scaling, backups, and maintenance, so teams can focus on what really matters, building applications. Most people think RDS cost is just compute, but that's not true. Your costs also grow from storage, backups, and over-provisioning. Here are the key optimizations you should focus on. First, choose the right storage type. Use GP3 instead of IO1 unless you truly need very high IOPS. GP3 gives you a much better price-to-performance balance for most workloads. Next, think about dynamic storage. Don't over-allocate storage up front. Enable auto-scaling so your database grows only when needed. Now, let's talk about multi-AZ. It's great for high availability, but it also doubles your cost. If your workload is non-critical, consider turning it off. Fourth, use reserved instances. If your workload is predictable, lock it in for a longer period and get significant discounts compared to on-demand pricing. And finally, think about archival. Old data and backups silently accumulate over time. If you don't clean or archive them, they keep adding to your bill. Move unused data out and keep your database lean. Small changes, big savings. Now, let's look at similar optimizations for S3, a highly scalable storage service for files, media, backups, and logs. But before that, let's quickly understand the different S3 storage classes. This will give you a much clearer perspective and help you make better optimization decisions. Let's quickly understand S3 storage classes in a simple way. First, standard. This is your regular storage for frequently accessed data. Then, standard IA. Data you don't access often, but still need quickly when required. One zone IA, it's cheaper, but stored only in a single zone. Use it for non-critical data that you can recreate if it's lost. A newer option, S3 Express One Zone. It builds for ultra-fast access and high-performance workloads. It also stores data in a single zone, so use it when performance matters more than redundancy. Now, the cold storage classes. First, Glacier Deep Archive, the cheapest option for long-term, rarely accessed data. Next, Glacier Flexible Retrieval, very cheap storage, but retrieval takes minutes to hours. Then, Glacier Instant Retrieval, archive data, but still access it instantly when needed, though retrieval cost is higher. And finally, Intelligent Tiering. Not sure how often data will be used? It automatically moves data based on usage patterns. Now, let's look at S3 optimization, step by step. First, choose the right storage class from what we just saw. Picking the right class can significantly reduce your costs over time and put some extra money back in your hands. Next, use S3 lifecycle policies. Automatically move data from hot to warm to cold storage. No manual effort needed, and you keep saving along the way. Third, delete unused objects and versions, just like data archival in RDS. Old files pile up quickly and keep adding to your bill. Clean them up regularly to boost your savings. Fourth, compress large files. Smaller files mean less storage, which directly means more savings. And finally, avoid small file overhead. Millions of tiny files increase request and metadata costs. Instead, bundle them into larger files whenever possible to have even larger savings over time. Simple optimizations, big savings. I hope you learned some useful cost optimization techniques today. So stop paying for things you don't need. Optimize today. And thank you everyone for staying till the end. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.